take a good look at this. Take a good look at this one. You can see from that level that market started moving from that level upward. From, you see the red indicator crossing the green indicator upward, right? All right. So, and also you can see the blue indicator that looks like volume data. Okay. That's the MACD. You can see the MACD touching the oversold zone, okay, and then there is a reversal. All right, so that's the confirmation you need. Once you see market inside the 15 level, all right, this zone, this 15 level, all right, once market drops inside this zone, you see the two indicators, you see the blue and the other two indicators crossing each other. Once it crosses, that's your signal to buy. All right, you buy from there upward. All right, welcome back to my channel. The message is right here. So if you're new on this channel or you're watching our video for the first time, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. And even if you've been watching our video, please, and if not joined our free Telegram channel, check the description box to join our free Telegram channel. I'm creating a group for a wait list group for those that want to learn how to analyze the markets. I mean, price action, the real price action, to really tell why market is selling, if it's selling from a certain price to a certain price, why it's selling, and why you should sell or why it shouldn't, or why you should just stay away. So you need to read these charts to know what market is all about, what the market is actually doing, where the market is heading. Do you understand? You don't just have to be using indicators every time. Sometimes indicators lags. Okay, if you want to learn the real price action, because if you really want to be successful, you need to learn the real price action. Now let me tell you something. Have you seen these big traders using indicators? Now if they use indicator, I'm not saying indicator is bad. Indicator works better, all right, very well. But for you to use indicators successfully, you need to add a bit of price action knowledge. You need to have price action knowledge so as to make consistent profits, because sometimes indicator lacks. Okay, so if you want to learn, there's a group I'm creating for you guys, the wait list, where if you want to learn, you join the group and see what we are doing, and you join the academy. Okay, today by 8 p.m., just 1 hour from now, the academy starts. We start a class. There's a class by 8 p.m. Sorry, today, and that will be in an hour from now. So if you really want to make it in trading, you need to learn price action. All right, so back to our video. So today I've given like two signals already today. All right, I've given two signals already today, and we won the two signals. All right, I've given signals on the VIX 10 1s. All right, VIX 10 1s, and also I've given signal on VIX 25. VIX 25. Let's check that. I will show you guys the setting and everything. Okay. VIX 25, okay, see, so we short it from this zone. We short it from this zone, all right, and our targets was here. We just smashed our TP. Our TP was just here, somewhere here. You can see immediately market smashed our TP. There's a reversal. So this is what I'm trying to say. If you learn price action, if you understand price action, I'm not just saying any price action. I mean having a good strategy, price action strategy, okay? Now, when you have this knowledge, you can tell where the market is going to, where it will reverse from, where you can place your TP, your SL. Now, your psychology will be very, very sound. You have a sound mind, okay? Because trading needs good psychology, all right? So you have a sound mind. You understand what you're doing, because your confidence, you have this confidence that markets can never just deceive you anyhow. Like you are in charge, you are in control of the markets, right? So that is the main reason you should learn price action. All right, you can see yesterday I gave 3 signals. I missed 3 more signals. I gave three signals, with 4 signals yesterday. 3 signals. We won all 3 signals. Today I've given 2 signals and we won all 2 signals. You cannot do that with just indicator. You do that with proper price action knowledge. All right, so that's what I'm saying here. If you want to be successful, you need to learn price action. So back to our video. Let's check the boom, the crash market. So here is the crash market. If you want to want to trade this indicator, you have to go to your 1 minute time frame. Okay, 1 minute time frame. 2, you are using this zoom level. This is zoom level 1, and 2, you can use this zoom level 2, or you can use this 3. It's still okay, right? Now 3, this strategy is for scalping, not catching of spikes. It's for catching of scalping the boom and crash market. Use it for crash 1000, crash 500, crash 600 and 900. Use it for boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300, boom 600 and 900. Avoid the 300. Any of my strategy, I keep saying this. Avoid the 300, boom 300 and crash 300. They are crazy. Those ones are really, really crazy. Okay, and their least lot size is 1 lot size, so they are crazy. Okay, and it's hard for it to get to this overbought zone, the levels 15 and 85. That's why you need to just stay away from them. So this strategy now, I'm showing you guys how to make use of this strategy on the crash market today. Now, again, as you're scalping, you are taking just 5 to 10 ticks. What I mean by ticks, this, crash market goes up by default. Okay, it goes up by default. All right, always going up, then there will be a crash. They continue going up, there will be a crash, right? So if you're buying crash, it's cool. It's cool to buy crash because it goes up by default. Do you know there's a way crash will go up for over an hour, 2-3 hours without coming down, without a single spike? Yes, I've witnessed that. All right, so from here, once you have this confirmation inside this level, you're taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ticks. Okay, you don't want to take more. 10 is okay. All right, 10 is okay. 5 to 10 is okay. All right, so that's how to use this strategy. Now let me show you guys. Let's do the back testing and show you guys how to use this strategy. Please smash the like button, guys. All right, so now inside here we have the indicators. So you have to wait patiently for this indicator to drop inside this zone. Once it comes inside this zone, you have this blue indicator inside this zone as well, and this green and the red indicator inside this zone. What you are doing is to wait patiently, and once the red indicator crosses the green indicator, all right, upward, is when you're buying. And as you're buying, you're taking 5 to 10 ticks and close out. Don't be greedy. 5 to 10 ticks and close out. I know why I'm saying 5 to 10 ticks, because if you want to do back test and check how many times market gets to that point and how many candlesticks, you see before a single spike is mostly 10 ticks. If you see 5 ticks, it's very rare. 10 ticks, okay, before you get a spike, it's 10 ticks. So if you want to take more than 10 ticks, it's likely going to catch you. Okay, so you can see another level here where you're supposed to buy from that level upward. You make your money, right? Once you see the two indicators, the blue, the green and the red indicator, and the red indicator crosses the green upward, you are buying. Okay, so let's check again. We have the same thing here, similar, the same thing. All right, and we have another one right there. You can see once you jump in, market goes up all the way up without coming down again. Okay, without coming down again. You can see that too. All right, you can see that, bro. 10 ticks and you're out. You can see that, right? 10 ticks and you're out. 10 ticks and you're out. 10 ticks and you're out. Let's check the crash 500 before. Crash 500 before we move. Now look at crash 500. If we were online when this was reversing, when market was reversing upward, would have taken this one here and take 10 ticks, candlesticks, and close out. You can see that white crosses, the red crosses the green upward, and more than 10 ticks already, over 15 or 20. You can see that. Okay, 15 or 20. Right now, let me tell you something. If you can scalp the crash 500, boom 500, you'll make more money. Now take a look at these ticks, these candlesticks when market is going up. You can see they are longer than that of crash 1000. Oh, it's almost the same thing. But I observed that when I'm scalping, when I'm scalping the crash. Okay. That means the way the chart was looking. You can see this one is a bit tiny. You can do this yourself. You can try this yourself. You can see that when you're buying, when you're scalping, crash 500 or boom 500, you make more money. Okay, but be careful because it spikes a lot because they know you make more money as it's going up, but it spikes a lot. So you need to be careful. You can take 5 ticks and close out. So this is another one right here. Here's another one. Okay, here's another one. You can see. You buy from there. You make your profits. So watch to the end because I will show you guys the settings or the parameters. You can see that. Look at that. All right. The same thing every time, guys. The same thing every time. So it's very simple, very simple to make money with this strategy. It's not even hard at all. So it's very simple. Let me show you guys the settings. So somebody told me he made use of my last 3 strategy to create a robot for himself, and he's making good money with the robots. Robot is killing the market. Wow, that's awesome. So you see, a lot of people just come here and make use of these contents, and make everything is about what you believe. Okay, it's about if you have this strong belief that you can actually make use of it or turn something to something reasonable, that's fine. Okay, so we have here the period is 8 applied to median price. Okay, that is 4. Sorry, let me go back again. Let's start with the strength index, RSI, relative strength index. The period is 8. All right, median price applied to median price. The levels here we have level 5, 15, 85, 95. Okay, you click on done. Then under here, under style, you need to put white. If you're using white background, use white. Okay, and reduce the pixel. You can see this pixel, reduce it to the least, and use this, maybe this one or this one. Why? Because we don't want it to be obvious to be seen on the chart. Okay, we don't want it to be seen on the chart, so you have to make it reduce the pixel so that it will be very tiny. It's not obvious on the chart. That's it. You have your RSI. Then you go back again and you're adding alligator pepe. So just period is 13, teeth period is 6, lips period is 5, just shift is 8, teeth shift is 5, lips shift is 3, and method smoothed applied to median price. You can see the colors right there. Screenshot it, guys, because we don't have enough time. Screenshot it and click on done. I don't know. My battery is always low, and there's light. My battery is always low, 5%. Sometimes it goes off like 2 times in a day before I'll rush to charge it. I don't know. Why is it like that? I know you're a trader and you have this similar issue. Why is it like that we find it very difficult to charge our phone? Okay, so we have MACD. We have MACD. Fast EMA is 16. Slow EMA is 32. MACD SMA is 16. Applied to typical price. Okay, then the levels here we have 0 and 0. Then the main is blue, signal is white. We don't want it to be shown, to be seen on the chart so that it will not confuse us with the alligator indicators. Okay, so we click on done, and that's your strategy. As simple as that. If you do this, watch this video to the end, keep doing the same thing over and over, you get to understand the strategy perfectly well. It's simple for anybody, even a novice, someone that just started trading yesterday can actually do this, make money with this strategy. All right, so that'll be all for now. The measure is right here. Make sure you check the description box to join our free Telegram channel so that you'll be able to benefit. And free classes will be coming very soon this month. Okay, if you want to learn, know few things about how to even start trading, join. Check the description to join, and also chat me up for VIP signals. Okay, VIP signals. Accounts management is not up. It's really stressful. I can't be doing my trading for other people, and accounts are really much. So I can't do accounts management now. Everybody are pushing and begging me for accounts management. I don't want to do it now. I have my own accounts that I'm trading, but once it's up, I'll also announce it's where the free Telegram group. So join the free Telegram group. A group will be created for those that want to learn, where you can be there, we interact. I'll be there to chat and discuss everything with you guys. All right, so that'll be all for now. The message is right here. I love you guys. Look, don't risk much in the market. Don't leave your job because you want to learn forex, want to learn how to trade. Don't quit your job. Don't quit your job. Hold your job tight. Don't quit your job. It's very important, please. I want to say this because when you come into trading, you need something that will be funding your account. If you don't have any job at hand, you don't have any job and you're doing trading, you'll be trading with so much emotions. Why? Because you don't want to lose money. When you try not to lose money, you end up losing more because you've been making some crazy decisions. When you don't supposed to close out, you close out. Why? Because you don't want to lose your small money before you know the market started going your direction. Right? The next time you say, okay, yesterday you closed and market started going my direction. This time around, even when you're seeing the obvious reversal against you, you will not want to close because you believe that what happened yesterday is likely to happen today, and what's going to happen to you, markets will reverse and go against you. So if you have something that will be funding you, you can decide to risk $10, $20, and it will not be a big deal to you. You just stay and you don't worry about it, and you see market doing the stuff, it will go up and definitely come down to your direction. So that's my advice to you guys. Don't over leverage your trading accounts, and also don't don't quit your job for trading. Don't quit your skill or any other thing you have for trading until you see you're good at what you're doing at trading. You make consistent profits, so much profit that you know you can never blow out anytime soon. That's when you can decide to, okay, this is what I want to do full time. But apart from that, hold on to your job while you are trading. That'll be all for now. Smash the like button, subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you guys.